Jerking it off.
Caught me jacking off. Not gonna fit.
You gotta pull the bumper, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So, we're finally getting started on the Firebird. To start with, the engine was already halfway tore down when we bought the vehicle. So, intake, upper plenum, valve covers, I mean, all the pumps are gone off the front. So, we've got to start over fresh, pull the block, and then go through the mains and bearings and make sure everything's good to go. In order to get started with that, we got the car up off the ground and we're gonna have to pull the bumper to clear the cherry picker in there to get the block out. So,
Let's get it going, y'all.
Grab that side. My favorite part.
There she is.
Damn. I'm surprised all the pieces came with it too.
Piece of foam, bro. That's crazy.
Someone would look at this and be like, that's just a normal piece of foam, but
It's worth some money.
yeah.
I'm gonna have to destroy
So a
part
piece
of it.
of foam fucking holds this shit together.
Holds it up. I have to destroy part of it.
Don't fuck up the trim.
Now it's an RX-7.
that's a Camaro.
Yep.
I wonder if you could convert the front
Hell yeah, you
clip to
can.
it.
Go give me
like
the-
a 90 Z28 or what?
Yeah, give me the core support out. I can put that on this.
Tag All Street Garage. Like, share, subscribe. Let's go. Boris. Hey, boy. He's on camera. What up, man?
What's up,
What you
dog?
doing?
Up hot, man. Trying to get some heat up in there.
What you got right there? Hi, Boris.
Big ass axe.
Hi, Boris.
Big ass wolf too. Need some real muscle in there or what?
I won't fuck around break Fuck around break this goddamn ratchet in a minute.
We got all the bell housing bolts out, the flywheel covers off, starters out. We need to finish pulling the motor mount bolts after we get a chain on it for safety.
Yeah.
Almost there. Grind don't stop, baby. We gotta keep going.
One more? Another pump?
Shake the motor, get it off the mount.
Damn.
Easy, guys. I don't know how tight you put the fucking parking brake.
Oh shit.
All the way up.
Okay.
Easy, easy.
Don't scratch the bumper. Alright guys, we're literally about to pull this thing out. Are you excited, Jay?
Yeah, Josh is under the car right now. He gives me the okay, man. I don't want this motor to fly down on his face.
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Good job, Josh. Let's go. Get that bitch out. Yeah, let's go, dude. Come on.
Up and away, man.
Come on, dude. Slacking.
Here,
Slacking, dude.
Yep, keep going. I'm about to pull a condenser to get
You think so? Oh, hey, hold
I
on.
have to rotate it. Get this lip above the condenser.
There we go.
Pull out on the cherry picker. There we go.
Yep.
Up again.
Yep. Hold on.
We're good. Keep going.
Yeah. Damn.
Spiderwebs and everything on this motherfucker.
Yep.
What is that? Unhook that loom.
Oh shit.
Look that loom.
Pull it off.
Pull it off, nigga.
Fucking kill me.
Yeah. 10. Give me a 10.
Almost out, boys.
2 more bolts. Pull it up.
No, you can't pull it out. Don't have the cable there.
Go ahead, Jordan. Check us out, guys. Like, share, subscribe. If you like our videos, keep it going. Let's go all the way up. We'll be doing a giveaway for our detail on the following month, since it's finally gonna get warmer here in Bend, Oregon. If you don't live in the area, I'm sorry. It don't matter. We're gonna give back already. Let's keep it going.
Damn. All right.
All right,
You ready?
Hop on the back corner of this.
Hop on the back corner.
Why me?
The other side. Behind Jordan.
Oh.
Yeah, because the motor's like flipping out of the hole, dude.
You ready?
Jack it up. Windshield's already broke. Let's not break it anymore.
It's cracked?
Get this something.
Dude, get on. Slow. Uh-huh.
Looks like it.
Let her down.
Damn.
On the ground. Good job, boys.
Good job.
Fucking A, man.
Jesus.
3.6 liter, huh?
That was our goal to get this thing out.
3.4.
Oh, 3.4.
If that was the 5-point bell housing, I would put a fucking V8 back in this. We're gonna put the little motor back in. Wah, wah. First step we're gonna take once we got this thing out of the car is get it ready for the engine stand. We're gonna have to pull the flywheel, the pressure plate, the clutch disc, and all the bolts and put them away because they are special bolts and they are area specific. And they have to be torqued down back in sequence. So when we pull all this off, we'll number and label everything and put it away. Once we get it on the engine stand, from there, we'll flip it upside down and pull the oil pan off and see what's going on with the internals. As far as rods, mains, you know, crankshaft, how bad the damage is. Now, we did find a dent in the oil pan that appeared to be a leak, but I can't tell if it was superficial or not. So once we get it opened up, we'll look from the inside and see if that's what caused this thing to start knocking. Because the guy could have hit a rock going down the road and blew the motor over it. So
Jesus.
we're gonna open her up from there and see what it does. When I go to ordering the kit, I'll probably order 10,000 turn bearings for the crankshaft, and then probably at least a 585 lift cam for this. So she'll have some potatoes in it when we go back together.
Yeah.
You'll definitely know it's not stock.
Damn. Upgraded cam and everything, huh?
Yeah.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Balance and blueprint, all the rods.
We're doing this for you guys.
All the rods. Every single rod in that motor will weigh the same.
Dope. I'm excited.
I'm gonna use the.
This guy right here has been building everything, man, helping us with fucking projects here and there. So I'm really excited, honestly, for him. Gonna be a wrap for today's video. At least we got the engine block pulled. I don't know when the next video will be, but we'll keep you guys updated on this block. And yeah, I'm excited for, again, Josh to build this car up, because
Yeah, we'll do the breakdown on the motor. We'll keep you updated.
so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get this content